Alright guys, welcome back, and we are going to move on now to create the template, or basically the very skeleton of what this is going to look like. Okay, this is going to take a little bit of work, so we're going to start off by just breaking it up first and creating the section for it and creating the card that is going to take all that stuff in there, and this is gonna take a little bit of time, so we're gonna break this down into a few tutorial lessons. So moving on to the section here for the projects, I'm gonna bring this down here, and the first thing I want to do is, if we look at mine, we also see that we're using a container as well, so we're going to basically follow what we did, but we're also going to bring a paper in there. So we're going to start with the paper actually. And then if you notice, this paper is not going to be black like the other one. It's going to be light. So we're going to have a different color added to this. So we're going to need a class name for it. And we're going to call this one light paper, lightsaber, or light paper. So we're gonna go ahead and add that up here in the light paper and the styles, and we're gonna make that a background color just for now. Let's make it white, and we're gonna we're gonna make the color in it black, comma. Okay, so that way we know it's working. Eventually we're gonna have to change some of the stuff inside as well and give them the color that we want to. Next thing we want to do is we add a container to it, and then inside the container we want to have the typography, so we can pick some of the stuff from this actually. Where was it? Yep, we're gonna pick the typography here. Forgot the max width. Okay, so you just use that. Okay, there you go. Container. Okay, so we're gonna use that from in the container, and we're gonna copy and paste this as well in here. I don't know what happened there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, and the section header now, the section heading now, it should be light section heading. Light section heading, and this could be some of my work. We need to add this class, so we're gonna come up here where the section heading is, and we're gonna basically not modify but bring all of this here. There is a way that you can inherit from another class, but we're just gonna make this kind of move fast a little bit, and we're gonna do that color 1 2 3 1 2 3. Alright, so it basically does the exact same thing as the other one. The only difference is the color is going to be different. And like I said, there are ways that you can do this by concatenated classes and having two classes at the same time and just one for color. You can also do a typography color and just change the color itself there. There are other ways. We're going to move on to this, and then maybe we can make it better later. But like I said, there's a lot of work to be done here, so we're going to try and move as fast as possible. So the next thing I want to do here is I want to start bringing in, I want to create my first card. Okay, so I have a layout that I can probably just use and save some work. Okay, so here's my layout, and bring this stuff back and bring this stuff back as well. Alright, minimize that. Okay, and then make sure that this is inside of my grid, obviously, otherwise it's going to just look weird. So inside here, I'm going to need my grid container. And inside my grid container is going to have a grid item. Now I want my extra small to be 12 space, whatever, parts. And then at tablet, I want it to be half. And then for anything like laptops like that and up, I want it to take 4 spaces for whatever it's called, 4 sections. And I'm going to bring all that stuff in there. I'm going to explain all of this in a second. There you go. And now one thing I need to do here is I am going to get rid of this for now. Put that there. And the class media is fine. The class URL, we'll get rid of that for now and then put that there. Put that there and get rid of that. This, I'm gonna call this title. Just whatever, my title, card title, whatever you want to name it. There you go. Card title, that's fine. I'll let you guys know eventually what that is. For right now, let's just make it like this. Some text. Okay, same thing for this. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you guys time to look at what I'm doing and pause the video so you can copy all of this stuff that I'm doing. And then my cart actions, which is basically a button, and I'm going to take that out, make it /. I'm just trying to take all of the stuff that I know it's not going to work so you don't end up breaking, so it doesn't break the, say like this. So I got to bring some stuff in here. I got to bring cart actions, a link, a lot of this stuff. So I'm going to do that. So cart actions area, that needs to be brought, actually I should bring it up here. So my cart actions, cart content, alright, my button, and I think I have everything that I need. No, cart actions, I need my cart actions. Alright, yep, that's everything except for the link, which the link is going to come from Gatsby. So just come over here to the header if you already have it on the screen or not. And actually you're going to need this GraphQL as well, so just bring it all. Bring that in there as well. Alright, so now you should be fine, and hit the send, the control save. And let's see. Great. And this is kind of what we were expecting, so we're going to stop here, and then we're going to move on. Since we have the skeleton, we're going to move on to the next one.